Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom call backgrounds for people on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do, go ahead and find the contacts. So you want to click on the phone icon there, go to your contacts, and you want to go ahead and choose someone. So let me go ahead and choose this guy here. And from here, all I'm going to do is just simply go ahead and click on the information icon for that person. Then you want to click on the more option on the lower right hand side, and you will see the option that says edit call background. Now once I tap on that, I will have the option now to change that background. So as you can see, it shows me a preview there, and I can simply tap on background and I can choose from multiple backgrounds in my phone. So as you can see, you can choose from your recent gallery, or you can go ahead and choose something from the featured option. So let me go ahead and choose this one here. So I can tap on that and I can choose that, and I can just simply choose set as background. Once I tap on that, that will now be selected as the background image for that particular caller. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.